Welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. I'm not gonna lie. No. My opinion on Kartel out of prison versus Kartel before and going to prison. It's like me I think both Kartel different. Maybe because I've grown up and seen people for what they are. Because what he has done to that girl, Lisa Hyper, remember do with her before from she was 14 years old, and a lot of people think that's nothing. I change a nose ring, I'm not like it. But they a big man. But no know. This whole thing come like a cult thing, like Trump thing to me. Yeah. Not like I'm deal with the situation at all. Yeah, she might have a bit of mental issues also, but him help her forget her that a mental state because him start touch her from she a 14-year-old.
Not mad. She is in a abyss. Then she in a space where she don't know where to turn.
Yeah.
And it's like she said she's the phoenix, because people don't understand she's a phoenix. Phoenix is a bird where soar high and fly, but she can't get to fly.
Yeah.
It would have come like if somebody tight, strong, we're gonna rookie when them know strong. Them tie him up and him can't move.
True.
You get frustrated. You go kick, you go tear, you go fight, you go want to do everything for escape.
True for that.
So that is what is happening with Lisa Hyper, and people don't understand.
Sure.
She's holding so much. She wants to tell the world everything we are going with that.
Yeah.
But she still a hold back to protect people she love and hate at the same time.
True.
So you heard what Foota Hype have to say on that clip concerning Lisa Hyper. It's just so sad. It's just so sad that people will just use and abuse people, and even though it's out in the public and people know what happens, there is still no repercussions for certain actions. And oh my, it is just so sad. It is really sad what is going on with this young lady, and he should do better. He should do better. Vybz Kartel need to do better. You understand me? Because this is just not. It's not looking good. Let's listen to another clip of what Foota Hype is saying on the matter.
Frustrated.
Yeah.
Because she not get the help, she not get the attention.
What she need?
Plus, she have to protect these people who still not take care of her.
True for
So
that.
it's like she a fight a battle with herself.
True.
Then she get a point when nobody now book her for the show.
Yeah.
She not get no help of work because of a video and a picture when it come out with her 10 years ago. So when she broke her nerve it, and when she can't get no work, cause she frustrated now. So she go back to the source of all her pain, where her pain come from.
Yeah.
Cause she basically say, I want to cause me fear go through that pain.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So, me.
It a tape Gaza no rape, but Gaza. It a tape Gaza, but Gaza. You want me bring on down? Test me. You want me bring on down? Test me. Tell you no don't test me. And me have him belly bottom. You no don't test me, and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison. Don't test me. You hear me? I want to know. Alright.
Good night, madam.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me to the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed your mother.
I want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
And if I see this on any social media platform,
shut up your mouth. You can't
I'll definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge and me press back charge for you. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't show me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
May I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm this year, man.
May I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy. You don't know who me is already. Fucking ugly like. But you want to see passport.
Fix it here.
So fix it. My head gone for real. I don't baddest life. I don't want nobody ramp with me right now. But my head gone for real. So I know so not done, you know. You want to carry my shoes then? You want to carry my shoes? Or you want passport? Other that lock me up. Go video no mama. Go video no so cocky mama.
Alright, miss.
Miss what? Go video no so cocky mama. Monkey. 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 Go video monkey and we both. Big idiot. That you should have put you should have put your hand for me get for buck you. So them have me a carry me, they gonna carry me go lock me up. Love my phone, you buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone?
Give me the phone.
You buy my phone? I'm afraid of Bell if you one thing I know say tell Chase say me done with him. Tell Vybz Kartel say me done with him tonight. What them do tonight? Now
So guys, you heard what Lisa Hyper, I just in the previous video, she was at the airport. It's a longer video, but I just gave you a small clip. You can search the internet if you want to see the full video or go and Lisa Hyper, because she did a live. I saw the live when she was doing it. But anyway, you can see she was at the airport. She was, boy, she wanted to go overseas. Apparently, she was at the airport without a ticket, according to what the report is saying. And, well, you can see that based on this, because who goes to the airport without a ticket to fly out, actually pack suitcase and everything and go to the airport. But this young lady, she's going through a lot. I am not a doctor, so I cannot diagnose mental health issues, but based on her action and what I would compare it to with others, both family members and other people who I have seen experiencing mental issues, their behavior are quite similar. But at the end of the day, I'm not a doctor, so I cannot diagnose what she has. But you know, it's quite sad that everybody is on the internet coming and bashing this young lady, saying that she's crazy, when that's far from the truth.
a situation like that. I can tell you. Remember when my son was 4, my mother go say, man, I go through an episode. And my mother go say, man, take my son and go with him. And when time I go say, man, come from work and them say, yo, Sanja gone with Puffy. Is a call me get. And them say, yo, she out of Rockfort. I'm go say, man, take a taxi and reach out of Rockfort. She know out there when me look see my son in a bad pan a bed. Seeing? It reach at a stage where they see all the police them. See me like when you see Lisa go on. When you see all the police them. My mother fight all police. I fight all police. Police are the car down. Me dey all dance a play and I go on. And me dey dance a play. You know see somebody else come and say, your mother down a town and strip naked, you know. Your mother down a town naked. I remember she have knife, she have buckle, she have cursing oil. She have all kind of things, all kind of bag of carry around. You think a little bit of time them tell me, oh, your mother mad. Suck mad Sanja. I go through the whole of them thing there. So when I see Lisa hype, I go on with them thing here. I saw my bother me. Because I know the feeling. I got Bellevue. One of the time when Christmas come, I never like Christmas. I don't like Christmas because every Christmas is like my mother goes to man chip out. I'm going to go to Bellevue and I tell her, say, they're not dealing with the people them go down there. Seeing and Lisa from a long time, this me I tell about, you know.
So guys, you heard Richie's take on mental health issues, and I have to say I agree with him, because a lot of people I've experienced a lot of people that have gone through this kind of thing where, you know, there's just an imbalance in the brain and it causes people to behave in a different way. However, I don't understand why everyone is coming out and say she's crazy, even though she has told us the lifestyle, what brought her to this, because since she was a child, she has been involved with Vybz Kartel. She said Vybz Kartel took her virginity. You understand? And she knew him since she was 5 years old. You heard all the things that she has said, and those are the things that has messed up her mind as a child. And now she's an adult. She's a broken adult that possibly can help her, can cause her if you have some kind of mental health issues, but people still not addressing the cause of the problem, because Jamaican people seem as if they love people who take disadvantage of children, and they think that it's a long time ago, so you should just forget about it and just move on with your life. And nobody now blame Vybz Kartel. It's like everyone is afraid of the backlash from the Gaza, so nobody is calling out Vybz Kartel for his part in this, because he has ruined this young lady's life. Why would you believe some of the things that she says, and some of the things, it's like Lisa goes into so much details when she's explaining all the things that happened to her. You understand? She has said a lot of things about a lot of people as well, but when she's describing herself from her childhood, and she goes into so much details and explain to us what this man has done.
Me and him get intimate when me are 16, 17.
What
so
do you think about it? What's your opinion
I don't know. Well, I don't know how it look
what
to
you
her.
have just witnessed, like,
One time him
how
did beat
is
me up in
that
front of her too, you know.
possible when we're living
She
in an
says,
age where
so I
technology is
eat
so
make sure I
advanced,
eat me, because she see
and
that when a man
you
can
can see
vex
things
with the next
100
woman in
meters
front
underneath the
of
bottom of the
you,
ocean,
she
in the
take it to
atmosphere.
heart.
But you're going
Take
through
it
it.
to
You're
heart.
going through
And
the
watch out
airport,
for the
and
dopey them. Because she work with dopey
I just,
enough.
it's just
Heartbreaking and
it's just sad.
disturbing going
It's
around.
just sad that
That I saw
young lady
this
has
morning
experienced what she
of Lisa
experienced, and
Hyper
I can imagine how traumatized
outlined her ordeal.
that is.
There's a picture of her
That
in
has
her
been
school
for her.
uniform
And
when she was
she's
13 years
it's
old
gonna take her
and
a
was
while to be
introduced to the Gaza
you know,
boss.
traveling, and I don't see
The
why
article further
people
said
of color should face so
that
much discrimination,
she
especially when
was
we're living in an
groomed,
age where
and
it's not like before where people
during
weren't
her
aware
time,
of what others are
she
doing
got
or
pregnant
what
several
others are
times
capable of doing.
and
We're
had to
living in an age where
do
it's
away with the
technologically
baby.
advanced. I can be
She
here
was
and
forced
have
to
an idea
do
of how things are in
oral,
India, in Pakistan,
and the
in
videos leaked to the
Nigeria,
public
in
for
like, you know, that
popularity
people all over the
of
world
our abuser.
are capable. We have
It
a
is
certain
said
amount
that
of intelligence. It
her
doesn't matter
monies, she
what
don't get her
background you
money,
are. And then how could
and
you think that,
several times she was
guys?
beaten
This is just this is just
by
very
her
disturbing.
abuser.
It is just very
And the
disturbing
article further
that
said,
we have
why
to
are
go
we hailing her
through
abuser
this.
while
Anyway,
she's dying,
let's have a
dying
look at the
in
next video
silence?
clip and I'll be right back.
That thing break me so till I don't know how to break anymore, because you know that I am a victim. But where is Lisa Hyper's mother? You need to come forward and tell the public what happened to your daughter, you know. Who was Lisa Hyper's caregiver? Do you know that those matters cannot die? They can always go before the court?
Guys, you heard what the lady said in the previous clip. Every time I hear a story about Lisa Hyper, it just makes me feel so sad that some women have to experience those kind of things in their lives. You understand me? Because she has been through so much, and where are her parents? As this lady says, I think in one of Lisa's videos, she says she was brought up by her nana, her grandma. So the adults in her life failed her, and then when she got to Vybz Kartel failed her as well, because him use her and abuse her, and people are not, you know, as the lady said in the previous video, from the video of Lisa Hyper, the X-rated video was sent out online of her, you know, with his thing in her mouth. You understand me? With the big man thing in her mouth, and he's the one, him sent it out, and it's like that destroy her life ever since. And I don't understand why people praise Vybz Kartel so much. I don't understand. I liked him before he went into prison, but I think, you know, I was young, I was younger, I was naive. I didn't look into life as how I'm looking into life now. But after his release from prison, I'm thinking this man is not someone to be praised, to be followed. But as I said again, I don't know why so many people have their heads sticking so far up his rear end. Nobody wants to speak the truth.
I really look from way back then how far she's coming from with Kartel. Now, remember she said Kartel have been in her life since she was 5 years old, since she was a child. And during her entire lifespan, Kartel been a part of her life. Even when Kartel had his baby mother and all them kids and all them other baby mothers, she was in Kartel life, because based on the age she showed and Kartel age and whatever, they wasn't far apart. Anyway, Kartel been grooming her since that little age. So she have a love for Kartel that she has for no other. But what she's basically showing and saying is that Kartel been disappointing her the entire time, no matter how good, pay attention, no matter how good she has been to him. Now, when Kartel and his baby mother broken up, she feel, because remember, you know, she keeps saying that the whole time he has been incarcerated, she has been feeding him. She has his house keys. She has his account number. She was basically doing everything for him. I'm wondering where his baby mother was, because they were still in a relationship. She basically stated that she played a big role in his life. So the story come out that Kartel and his baby mother, Tanisha, was no longer together. She felt that she was going to be first lady. Na. Yes. She felt that she was going to be first lady. Because with Tanisha out the picture, there was no more runner-up but she. No more runner-up but she. But then, here come a totally new female come out of nowhere. Little old Sidem come from Hallelujah, England. Bumbo clot. That they shoved the dagger in her heart. That they pushed the dagger in her heart because she had said, wait a minute. She didn't have a picture from she had 5. You bring Tanisha in a picture. Bring this baby mother in a picture. Bring that baby mother in a picture. Everybody in a picture except she. And then now, remember Spice didn't have a picture. So she said, me no know. Allegedly, Spice didn't have a picture at the capital. So now that everybody else, all the other females, got shoved to the side for see them, Spice is in the picture same way going all about with him. So she's completely tossed to the side. So now, after she realized we are gone, what are going now, she just said, okay, Kartel, only competition would be Dexter Daps. So she go set fear Klein Dexter Dap because then Capricorn men is extremely jealous. And she's talking about Kartel proof to her that Dexter that no love her. But in the same sense, she not noticing that Kartel proved to her that he doesn't love her neither. Well, not the love she expect from him as a lover. He maybe love her as a, I can't say child. So he love her as a friend, as a confidant. But not as a woman on his side. Not as a woman on his side. She, even though she know that he's now replaced all of them with the beautiful Sidem. I love her. She just has such a pure heart. And she seems so nice. Yes, with Sidem.
Well, you heard what this lady has to say about the Lisa Hyper situation. She's taking it from a different angle. She has said Lisa have a spirit of jealousy or a jealousy spirit. I don't really understand those kind of things, but probably she must know what she's talking about. But at the end of the day, all they're banging on about is Lisa Hyper, whether they must say she's sick or whether they must say she a cartel she want, but nobody is talking about the cause of the problem. What caused this young lady Lisa Hyper to be behaving like that? Even though Lisa Hyper told you what they have done to her, Lisa Hyper said the man beat her so much time, the man treat her, she has the man make she dash her so much belly. She had so many and a miscarriage because of them forcefully do, you know the word that I'm trying to say. I don't want to say it on YouTube. But that girl have been through so much beating, so much battering. When I hear how the things that some female goes through, my heart goes out to them, because a lot of these females in Jamaica, they have been through so much abusive situation. It's like, if it has never happened to you, you would never know that it was such a large scale. Like, things like those are really happening. Like, a lot of parents have failed their kids in Jamaica. And it's sad.
How much people, before Uno in fans get to understand who Kartel is. You understand? If Kartel kill me tomorrow morning, I know nothing. Me already tell you what me tell you now. And Kartel can't kill me. Kartel can kill everybody else, but Kartel can't kill me. Me can tell you know that. You understand? A Capricorn against a Capricorn is a fair fight. You hear that? The ninth is a fair fight. You hear that? Truth stands, righteousness exalted, and nation as sin is a reproach unto anyone.
Lisa Hype, back in the media again, arrested for all kind of madness. Now go drop on next Lisa Hype. What you now witness right so is the full breakdown of Lisa Hype. And me said, she said all kind of things about the little YouTuber, but we don't hold that against her, you know it already. You don't know 7 times Irish woman, I course you. Right, them not ease up. So, you know, we not try win no tracing contest, you know, man, because we can't win them already. You know, you can't win that. That come like, right, Mr. Bean I try to take on Mike Tyson in a fight. You can't win. Right, a war of words. Right, with the Irish woman. So, we not try win them already. Instead, we have to try to stick to what we know. We have to try to stick to the reality. And the reality is that such man, from a very early age, beat out the sense them out of Lisa Hype. And she alone. That's why we talk about enough of them. But then we see them run back to him. And then we see them run back from him. It has to be studied.
Yo, people say if you are real corruption.
Being in custody right now might be a good thing for you because you're safe behind bars. You see them things the way I threaten if you put out about such man, you have to do it strategically. Because from a long time, right, such man, I beat and batter right down. And right now, it look like in beat out the fire brain selling. We now witness Lisa Hype breaking down, mentally breaking down in front of him. We don't know how far this breakdown will go, but Mr. Whoops in the meantime, she drops her in the intel on such man. Now that she's in custody might be a good time. So we don't know how far she go spiral down the rabbit hole, and we don't know what such man might do her, so get what I get from Lisa Hype from now.
Sir P, I would greatly appreciate
all these years when you do me things and me I take it. I never afraid of you, Addy. Afraid for you. Me used to hide where you do me from my family, Addy. Me used to hide where you do me from my family. Me used to hide where you do me from my grandmother. Me never used to tell them nothing. I never afraid of you. Afraid for you. So oh, me love you, dog. And look what you do me. Brother, stay far from me, brother. Come here, I tell you. What heap of people see you, but
GR.
But I'm trying to tell you guys, look at this report. According to this, Lisa says at 13 years old, her V was taken by adult Vybz Kartel. She was 13 years old, according to Lisa Hyper. You understand me? For a year, she has toy. She was his ex-toys. Was not allowed to be with any other man. During that time, she got pregnant several times. She was ordered by Carter to get rid of it. Lisa does have some mental health issues, but about what this man has done to her, since the age of 13 years old. Guys, she was just a child. She was just a child, and a lot of Jamaican people uphold with adults taking advantage of young kids. These adults keep on saying it's a long time and you should get over it, and that's it. This is not something that people can get over. Can you imagine you break a glass? Even if you glue that glass up, it is not gonna be the same as it was before. So this is the case with this young lady. He has shattered her mind since she was a child, and even since he has come out of lockup. And you see a certain performance when they're doing certain songs together. You can see Lisa Hyper is attracted to him, and he knows that, and I think he plays on that. You understand? I think he plays on that, and it's just sad that more people not coming to this man for what he has done, because I'm sure it's not Lisa Hyper alone, but Jamaican people, they will never get up and talk the truth. They would prefer to hide this thing and push it under the carpet, and they always try to blame the victim. They always try to blame the victim. Imagine something like this has come out and nobody at all, well, I wouldn't say nobody. You have some people who are actually believing what this young lady is saying and really calling him out. But a lot of the bigger social media sites, the ones that he is linked to, those people are Gaza to the bone. It does not matter what he did, what he's doing, what he has done. They will always find a way to blame the victim. Even in one of the previous clip where the lady was saying she have a spirit of jealousy and since them come, and it's like this side them thing is a whole. I need to do an entire different topic on this side them situation, because I don't know why black men do it. They do it all the time. They build up themselves. They gain they're at a certain financial level, and then what they do, they go and they find someone from not their background to inherit their wealth. The way that he has this grace females, the way how he disregards Jamaican females, and to see how he's now up in arms with this foreigner, and everybody does like I mean, that's another story for another time. But guys, it's so sad what has happened to Lisa Hyper, and everybody I blame Lisa Hyper. So she need help, she need help, she need help. But nobody now call out Kartel. Say according to this, it is alleged that since she was 13 years old, he took her virginity. He has been grooming her since she was 5. She's the one who said she know this man since she was 5. She used to steal out her grandmother's cigarette to go and give it to him. So him have this child a groomer. It's like him control Lisa had life ahead right through, and people just cannot seem to understand that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and you can slow down the video to read these comments. See you soon.